Would you like to learn how to make some delicious barbecue ribs in the slow cooker, just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So of course you're going to need some spare ribs or baby back ribs for this slow cooker barbecue ribs recipe. But the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. So firstly, I'm going to season up the ribs with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Next, I'm going to add some hickory brown sugar barbecue seasoning to the ribs. Just like this and like that. And then I'll flip the ribs over and get some seasoning on the other side. But usually I go lighter with the seasoning on the back side because there isn't much meat back there. It's best to let the ribs marinate overnight if you have the time. And I should have added this first, a little liquid smoke to give the ribs that smoky flavor. But better late than never, child. And of course I had to cut the spare ribs in half so that they would fit in the crock pot. And then I'm going to let my ribs marinate overnight so that the seasonings can get up and stuck. And now it's the next morning, and I like to add a little bit of barbecue sauce to the ribs before putting them in the crock pot. Not too much, just a little to get them started. And then later I'm gonna give them a good sauce up. Now I added some chopped onions to the bottom of the crock pot for added flavor. And I placed the ribs right on top of the onions. Now, you can cook your ribs on low for 6 to 8 hours, or you can cook them on high for 3 to 4 hours. I like my ribs to be tender, but still have a little bite, so I'm gonna go high for 3 to 4 hours. So they won't be fall off the bone, but they'll still be tender. If you prefer fall off the bone, then I would do 6 to 8 hours on low. And if you wanted to bake your ribs in the oven, you can bake them at 350 covered and let them cook uncovered for the last 30 minutes. Now it's been 2 hours and this is what the ribs are giving. I forgot to mention earlier that you do not need to add any liquid to the crock pot because as you can see, the ribs make their own broth. But now I'm going to drain and get rid of the broth at the bottom of the crock pot. And the reason I did not add a bunch of sauce in the beginning is because all the broth that the ribs created would have washed away a lot of the barbecue sauce. So that's why I wait, and now it's time to sauce them up. So pretty much you want to wait midway of the cooking time before adding the sauce. So now I'll just let them go for another 2 hours. And then once the 2 hours are up, I'll just pop them in the broiler for like 5 minutes so that they can get that charred look. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These slow cooker barbecue ribs came out so dang good. Sure did. No muss, no fuss, just delicious. Bars. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Need ya, help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.